just don't know how to express myself sometimes when I need to be properly different.
It's really loud there.
Number one, we're on probation, which is the only thing. I don't really know how to do it. And number two or three.
I'm all X'd up.
She had a few effing drinks.
Hey, lady, knock. Who's there, Rick? Mr. Stupidity Head. It's fucking pissing me off right now. Thinks he's the captain of the shit liner. And by the way, your fish stick sucks, so fuck off.
Looks like a tropical earthquake blew through here or something, man. What the fuck are you looking at, huh? Don't fucking stare. Leave my cat alone. Don't fucking stare.
He's gonna give us homemade hot dogs when we finish putting the signs up.
I'm gonna give you some homemade fuck-offs right now.
What are you doing using your big school words? Just use normal people words and I'll understand what you're talking about.
Hey, Sam, knock. Who's there? Get the fuck off the stage, you idiot. Sublime command. Mr. Denial and Error would probably say knock. He'd say who's there, and he'd say fucking idiot and tell you to fuck off. That's what I do. What's Veronicus? It's Piranha, Rick. That's what I said, Veronicus. But the other thing is, it's a catch-23 situation. It's not a ladybug, it's a caterpillar. Same as some of those sweet-powered chicken things. And getting caught masturbating sucks times. It really sucks.